So as you see on my screen, there are two windows open. One is the Figma prototype, and one is a plugin called Microflow Hardware Bridge. And you can see it has like an MQTT label. And if I click on this button, you can see some variables I have defined in my Figma prototype. So if I go in Figma itself, we can also see those same variables being declared. So I have an on value, and whenever we toggle that, you can see that the prototype reacts to that. Similar to the light, whenever we change the color or change the brightness, we see that live in the prototype happening. So how do we go from variables to hardware? So that's where MQTT comes in. And before we go into how we directly connect this to Figma, I think it's first important to understand how MQTT works or what it can do for you.